wants to reach out and touch it, I think. So with the hand, he pulls it down like that. Oh, come on, Max, tell me what you want. Tell me in words. You can't just move around like that. It's with the hand like that. Look at that. You see how he does that? I don't know what that means. Good job. Talking up a storm now. Oh, you're like running in place. What's going on? Save your energy. You're going to make it through the whole weekend. Good smile. Good little smile. Yeah. A nice little smile. What's with the hand and then pull it down? Having fun, Max? What's with the hand and pulling it down? What's with the left hand pulling down the right hand? You gotta explain that to me. Yeah? You don't want to tell me? You don't want to tell me? Let me tell you something, little guy. You better tell me what's going on. Why didn't you talk all night with my friends? Your new friends. You were inhibited, huh? And now you're just free to express yourself and go 100 miles an hour and run in place. And you're moving like you're running. Wow! There he is! World champion! Runner in place. He runs in place faster than anybody I know. Okay. All right. You looking for something particular? Very cute. Hi. Hi, little guy. Exactly. You had a tough day, but you seem to be recovering very well. What's with the arm though? Do it again. If you're right-handed, it should be easier for you to pull your hand down without any assisting. All right. You gonna say goodnight? Say goodnight. Max, say goodnight. Say goodnight before you pull down another hand. Max? Okay, that's enough. You say goodnight.